I have a D flip-flop. I want to turn it into a JK flip-flop. So I want to make a connection so that I can make a JK flip-flop out of a D flip-flop. So this is the truth table for a JK flip-flop. JK, and this is the Q present, and this is the next Q. So we can see this is how the next Q will be. These are the, as I discussed before, these are the conditions for T, connection T, and these are for D flip-flop. So anyway, now since I have to do I have to make a JK flip-flop out of a D flip-flop, let's look at the D column. What will happen to the D column? So D will be, for a D flip-flop, if I have a D flip-flop here, and this is Q, this is Q bar, this is D. So when Q is the next state, that's what it is. So the input has to be same as the next output. With the clock, the input will go to the output. That's what a D flip-flop is. So I will just copy this one. Now if this one will be my output and these three are the inputs. So I will have to minimize this expression to find a simplified Boolean expression from J bar, and then K bar QT bar, K bar QT, K QT, and I can just write final K QT bar. These are the four situations, just like a 3-variable K map. So I will have something here constituting of J, K and Q, the previous Q, of course, the present state Q, so that the combination of that will go into the input of D flip-flop, so that input goes to the output. So that's how I'm trying to do it. So looking here, sorry, actually there is a mistake. It should be, this one should be J bar and this one should be J. Yeah. So when the first one, that was J bar K bar QT, that is this one, and then the second one, which is J K bar QT, J K bar QT is this one. Third one is J K bar, second one was J bar K bar QT bar. Sorry, this one is actually the third one. Anyway, I'm messing up. This one is this one, and this one, which is J K bar QT bar. J K bar QT bar is this one, right? This is this one, which is this one, and the last one, which is JK and QT bar, which is JK and QT bar, which is this one. So if I minimize, this one can form a group, this one can form a group. So my D will have Q bar KT plus J QT bar, which is for this group, and this one is for this expression. From this group we get this expression. So this is what I need to have here. So if I connect like that, I will get, I have my J here, K here. So J will have Q bar, this is the present bar, so I can connect from here. This one and J will be ANDed, and then K bar, K has to be barred, so this is K, this is J, and QT. So QT can come here, which is the present one. These two will be ANDed, and then these will be ORed. It's getting very clumsy, but I'm just drawing it for the sake of it. So J, we have QT bar here, which is this one, and we have K bar and QT here. So these two ended here, these two ended here, and then ORed and going into D input. This way we have a D flip-flop, and where this will be clock here, we are turning it into a JK flip-flop using additional gates, and we are doing that from the using the from the truth table and then minimizing by K-map.